What role does international cooperation play in space exploration? Have you ever wondered how countries work together to explore the vastness of space? The role of international cooperation in space exploration is essential and fascinating. It allows nations to combine their resources, share knowledge, and tackle ambitious projects that no single country could manage alone. This teamwork leads to advancements in scientific research, technology, and the peaceful use of outer space. One of the best examples of this collaboration is the International Space Station, often referred to as the International Space Station. This project involves the United States, Russia, Japan, Canada, and the European Space Agency. Since its launch in 1998, the International Space Station has been a unique laboratory in low Earth orbit. Here, astronauts from various countries live and conduct experiments together. It shows how nations can unite for science, even when political differences exist. The International Space Station supports research in areas like astrobiology and human spaceflight technology. It also serves as a testing ground for technologies needed for future missions beyond Earth. International cooperation extends beyond the International Space Station. For instance, NASA and the European Space Agency have collaborated on Mars missions, including the Curiosity rover and the ExoMars program. These joint efforts have significantly increased our understanding of Mars and set the stage for potential human missions to the planet. Satellite projects also benefit from international teamwork. The Galileo navigation system, developed by the European Union and the European Space Agency, offers precise global positioning services. This system is crucial for aviation, maritime, and logistics industries worldwide. Moreover, international cooperation is about more than just technical achievements. It involves creating frameworks for peaceful exploration. The Artemis Accords, introduced in 2020, set principles for countries participating in NASA's Artemis lunar missions. These accords encourage safety, transparency, and responsible behavior in space activities, benefiting all of humanity. Organizations like the United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs and its Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space play vital roles in promoting global dialogue and agreements. They support peaceful exploration and sharing the benefits of space activities. From a space technology perspective, international cooperation allows countries to share costs, reduce risks, and access diverse technological capabilities. It also helps maintain stability in workforce and political support for space programs by distributing responsibilities among nations. This collaboration often acts as a form of science diplomacy, helping to maintain positive relationships between countries even during tense geopolitical situations. In practical terms, international cooperation enables the construction and operation of complex infrastructure like the International Space Station. It facilitates joint missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. It also aids in developing global satellite navigation and communication systems, establishing guidelines for space activities, and sharing scientific data and innovations. Additionally, it opens doors for emerging space nations to participate in exploration. Overall, international cooperation is a fundamental aspect of modern space exploration. It drives technological progress, expands scientific knowledge, and ensures that space remains a domain for peaceful and shared human advancement.